Hello and welcome everyone. In this movie we will explain how to use the razor in a display template. First go to the Templates section. Then click on the plus button to add a new display template. Here we will use the Strange table as the main table. Drag an HTML block to the template. To open the code section, click on the Code Editor button of the HTML block. The default HTML text is shown. We will select it all and delete it. Then change the type from HTML to dynamic. In this movie, we will show a few ways to extract the data from the database and show it in a display. More details can be found in our manual. Here we will add the basic code for a simple table with one row, indicated as TR, and two columns, indicated as TD. Click on the Compile button to see the changes above. In the first TD, the first column, we will add the title of the field. Add model is used to call the main table, which is the Strange table here. Then press the dot and select the wanted field. A list with the proposed options is shown. To get the title of the field, use .label. In the second TD, the second column, we will add the value of the field. So we call again add model dot and the wanted field. To hide the full row when the value is empty, add the following code above the TR. The exclamation mark means not. So if the field D216 is not empty, then show the value, otherwise do nothing. Place this code within the TR if the row should be shown in any case. If the value is not empty, then show the value, but when it is empty, then show a replacement text. Use the else for this. For a field with subfields, like the C field or multi-select, each subfield needs to be called independently. So besides the field, place another dot and select the subfield. The title can also be hard-coded. This example shows how to display a fixed text field only for the subfields that have a value yes. Here, 3 of the 6 subfields have the value yes, and only those 3 are displayed. For link fields, as well as for some other fields, for each is needed. Here we will show it using the ontology field. Give a variable in the for each and use this for the name, for example. The P indicates that the results are displayed per line and not beside each other. It is also possible to show more information of the linked table. Here, each TH is indicating the header of a column, so there are 3 columns. The growth media link field is used, and we will display 3 types of information: the field name, the media description, and the literature name. Currently, the name of the linked record is displayed, but it is also possible to make it clickable, for example, to direct to a page where more information of that linked record is shown. Just add the HTML code for the hyperlink. Note that the page that is in the path should be created before. A section title will be added using the H3. When the razor template is ready, a page can be created with the display template on it. To do so, go to the Pages section and add a new page. Drag the template to the page and link the layout. In the summary template, the razor template can be linked to the record name. And the page can be linked to the details of the summary. This is a page showing the results of most of the field types in BioloMICS. Each of them are explained in the manual. Thank you for watching.